Alright, here we are. Setup is key on a job. Throw some cones out if you can. You got a lot of people in the driveway or something, this way they don't clip your vehicle. Alright, what we're doing today is we gotta do a little soffit repair, and caused by a tree limb. Big pine trees, if you have these near the house, trim those limbs. They're dangerous. So we're going to do some soffit, some fascia work, and a little bit of roof work. We got this thing set up here. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do, I cut, measured. Okay, put the soffit in. I know some guys will probably work from the top down or whichever, but I'm going to put that soffit in. Now I'm going to measure for the fascia, the shingles, and the drip edge back in, and some trim. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Just to let the guys out there know, this is how I secure some of the pieces when I'm traveling. I got the little rigid, I was going to say razor, the rigid radio on, cuz, come on. Yeah, I just use these tie downs. Wrap it around the top. Just when I have a few pieces so they don't fly around in the trailer. Alright, I'm coming to the end here. I'm replacing some of the shingles. It's the best match I can get. It's an older shingle. Okay. Along the edge here, okay, where the drip edge is, you have 2 layers of shingles. Okay, you're going to run your first layer. It's a starter, then you put one right on top. Okay, when you're removing broken shingles, I should have made a video because I removed a bunch of them. They're down there, but you got to lift up on these easy. Use a pry bar like this, and you want to get underneath, and you want to go easy. You can lift up. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about the sun. Let's see if we can get the sun out of there. All right. Sorry about that. All right, you see that nail? That's what you got to get out. That's from the other shingle. All right, so you want to get underneath this guy nice and easy, and you want to pry him out, and you want to go easy, because if you go too hard, you'll send it right through the top, and you'll damage that piece. All right. You want to be easy, and you want to do this in a warm temperature. You don't want to do it in the cold, because these shingles will snap. You know. That's pretty much it here. Let me finish putting a few pieces in. I'm going to do a little caulking, and that'll be it. All right. Stay tuned. Like you, like me, go through. I need a girl like you. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, let me get back to this. All right, listen. We're coming along. Everything's looking up to par. Okay. Drip edge is not perfect. It doesn't match, but I'm gonna come back probably in another 2 weeks and replace the whole thing. Get all the same size, but everything is sealed up. New shingles up there, and what I'm going to do, let me lower this for a minute. I got to tell you, I had this rigid radio on probably for a good 3 hours, 3-4 hours, and I have 4 amp hours, so yeah, no, it'll last. But that's a lifesaver, lifesaver, that radio. So here we are, we're almost finished. I'm gonna caulk up some of those seams, and then I'm gonna paint it, and we're good to go. All right, so thanks for watching. Caulking's done. All right, that's all finished. And what I'm gonna do is call it a day. I got something to do. It's on a Sunday. I'm gonna come back one morning next week and just hit it with a couple coats of paint, and we're finished. Now it's time to clean up. Remember, clean up your mess when you're finished on a job. And that's pretty much it.